Hello everyone, this video is an introduction to programming. So what is a computer program? A set of step-by-step instructions that tells a computer what to do and produces a desired result. It means that in computer program, we have to tell the computer what to do. We have to write down the instructions that the computer will follow to give us the result. And a computer programmer is that person who writes a computer program. For writing a computer program, we need a programming language. By default, computers understand the machine language, which is in the form of zeros and ones. But obviously, a human cannot understand this language, so we have to write programs in a language that can be understood by us. And then we need a software which will translate our program to machine language. So there's a problem. For example, we write a program in a human readable instructions in any programming language we like, and then there is a software which converts those instructions to a machine language so that computer can read them, understand them, and give us the desired result. Here is an example of the algorithm where we write step-by-step instructions. So when we write step-by-step instructions for any task, this is called an algorithm. Next stage of programming is we convert algorithm to a flowchart. Each step is shown with a special symbol on a flowchart. Like here, approach the road, and then there's a condition. If there are no cars, if this condition is true, cross the road. If this condition is false, wait. So like that, we give instructions to computers. So algorithm is converted to a flowchart. This is a simple example of a Hello World program in C language. That's how we write in C language. Same program in Java, we will write like this. And in Python, we will write like this, print Hello World. In the coming videos, you will be learning about Scratch. The same program in the Scratch, you will write like this. You will just use two blocks. One click, say Hello World. So Scratch is, I will show you the interface of Scratch. This is a visual programming language, and drag and drop we have to do. We have to drag and drop the blocks, and then we run the program, and it will serve the purpose. It will give us the output. Like if I run this program, see, it's saying the sprite, the object here is called sprite. It says hello. So Scratch is a easy, simple, and a visual programming language in which you will be working. In the coming videos, I will teach you about how to create program in Scratch. Thank you for watching.